All right, so this video is going to cover number 5 through 8. Okay, in number 5, we have two bases being multiplied, or the same base being multiplied. So that means we get to add exponents together. And the exponents are fractions, so we just have common denominators, and then we add numerators. So this would be x to the power of 1 plus 5 is 6, and I keep the denominator at 2. Now this fraction can be simplified to 3. So it's just x to the third. That's it. Number 6 is the very similar situation, except when we go to add these exponents, we have to create common denominators because these are different. So a common denominator of 3 and 2 is just 3 times 2, which is 6. So I'm going to rewrite this as x to the something over 6 power times x to the something over 6 power. Now, to figure out what the numerators are, I take a look at 3 times 2 makes 6. So I have to multiply this times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 3 makes 6. So I have to multiply this one by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I can add the exponents together because they are like denominators. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and our common denominator of 6.
And then the y can go on the outside.
Okay, moving on to number 7, I see we have a radical with exponents. So here we need to realize that this square root is the same as a power of 1/2. And all of these are going to be taken to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to have 16 to the 1/2 power, x to the 4 over 2 power, because this represents the numerator, 2 is the denominator, and y to the 10 over 2 power. Now I just simplify. So the square root of 16 is 4. I can simplify this fraction. 4 over 2 is 2, so x to the 2nd power. And 10 over 2 is 5.
This cancels out. And then this
So that's it. 4x squared y to the 5th.
No, x.
And coming over to number 8,
Oh, yeah.
very similar, except I'm dealing with a cube root. So that means the denominator of my exponents, instead of being 2, will be 3. So this is going to be negative 64 to the 1/3 power, x to the 6/3 power, and y to the 15/3 power. Okay.
Oh, wait, we have to do the other one.
Now, cube root, this is a cube root of negative 64. I could type that in Desmos. I could also look up on my power chart to see what number cubed makes 64. But this is going to be negative 4. X to the, let me simplify that fraction, x squared. Y to the, simplify this fraction, 15 divided by 3 is 5.
Well, no, because the y.
No.
Can we?
And there we go.
X is, 18 divided by 3. That's